Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to this webinar. This is going to be a short overview, a short presentation that will describe something incredibly powerful, something that anybody can do from the comfort of their own home, and something that could provide you with a source of additional income. Something that is extremely important right now. Millions of people are losing their jobs and have been affected in one way or another by all this health crisis, economic situation, and this could be a solution for you to help you getting out of debt, to stabilize your family situation in terms of finances. I've been affected twice by this whole craziness that is happening out there this year, and this thing saved me. So I'm hoping that this can do the same for you as well. Without any further ado, we're going to start today's presentation. So the company that I'm going to be describing to you now is called SuperOne. SuperOne is a mobile gaming and technology company. And I know that many people at this point would start judging, basically, because they hear certain words, they see certain things, and they already start creating their own things in their own heads based on what they have done in the past. So I want you to stay open-minded for the next few minutes, because what you are going to see is something very unique. And also, I'll mention straight away, you don't have to be a player, you don't have to play games at all in order to benefit from it financially in a very, very big way. So we are on a mission to develop a world-class gaming platform where our members are partners in the business and are rewarded generously to help us become a billion-dollar brand. This is a huge concept. It's something very unique inside of the whole gaming industry. Everybody's playing something, whether that's doing brain training on your phone or playing those quick short games on the phone whilst commuting to work. Many people are, billions of people are. And you can capitalize, you can take advantage of this huge growth of this entire industry. So SuperOne, we are focusing on building a huge member community. Right now, we are already in 180 countries around the world, 180. But this is just the very beginning. We are in a pre-launch right now, and our main product is just about to come onto the market. And you get to hear about it before everything starts, before the whole thing starts. So in terms of what this is, what it is that we are creating, we are the Netflix, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and Tinder of mobile gaming. This is going to be a mobile platform, and I'm going to explain each and every single one of them in just a second. So what we are creating is interest-based games. So just like on Netflix, when you are logged into your Netflix account, you are going to see categories of different movies, like thriller, action, drama, documentary, new releases, these sort of things. So our games are divided into categories, but they are different categories. And because everything is being developed in-house, we truly offers limitless growth possibilities, because we decide what we want to add, what we want to change. Now, some of these categories will be related to sport. So there will be things like Formula One, tennis, cricket, there's going to be basketball, there's going to be UFC, NFL, football. That's because sports are followed. Sports are followed by millions, sometimes even billions of passionate fans. People who are spending already a lot of money inside of this space on merchandise like scarves, t-shirts, on season tickets, as well as special applications just so that they can watch their favorite teams performing live. So we know that these are hot markets. Again, just some of these football clubs have hundreds of millions of fan bases. Like some of these guys, the moment some of these guys start playing our games, the growth is going to be insane. The growth is going to be incredible. Now, there will be other categories of games. Cities, architecture, music, movies, cars, meditation, animals, geography, philosophy. So we are not trying to replicate or create yet another platform for teenagers or kids with these racing type of games, shooting, strategy, board games, card games. We have enough platforms like that as it is. This is a very unique concept. I call it a gaming platform for busy adults where people can become smarter rather than dumber. That's what we are creating. Because like if you are passionate about fitness, if you are passionate about diet, you can play games related to that interest and learn because you're playing these games. Learn more. Now, people today, so this is how, let me just be sure that I haven't missed anything. So this is how the games would look like. Just like on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, all we have to do is answer 10 questions correctly related to this category. And just like on Tinder, all you have to do is swipe left, swipe right, and that's how you're going to be answering these questions. So the moment the game loads, the clock is starting. And here is your first question. Is this Rihanna on this picture? All you have to do is swipe no, you would have been wrong. If you swiped yes, you would have been right. That is it. That's how you got to answer. Now, the moment the game stops, the clock is stopping as well. And then the game is going to check how many questions did you answer correctly out of 10 and how fast? And what about everybody else who played this game? The person who answered the most questions correctly the fastest is the winner. There is no gambling. There is no luck involved. It's up to us who's going to win and who's going to lose. Now, people today are already spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on entertainment, paying for special applications for platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Apple Plus, all of these things, special TV channels. They pay for games, they download games, and they end up spending money. But inside of SuperOne, people will actually be able to win amazing prizes. There will be prizes like trips, there will be gadgets, but these things are not very relevant right now because of this whole crisis, and you can't really even be sending stuff from country to country because of the quarantines and all these things. So there's just this one thing that is more powerful than anything else, and especially in today's climate, and that's cash. People will be able to win cash inside of this platform, ranging from anything, $10, $50, $200, $500, $20,000, going all the way up to $1 million, just like on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And you've got to answer 10 questions. You've got to be the fastest with the most questions correctly, and you can win cash. This is super, super simple. And there is genius in that. There is genius in simplicity. Now, this partnership was announced a few weeks back. We've learned that SuperOne is not building the gaming platform by themselves. They're actually working with Fantasy. Fantasy is the biggest design agency in the world. These are their clients: Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Disney, Netflix, Samsung, Huawei, Tesla, Mitsubishi, Ford. These are just some of the names of the clients of Fantasy. Guess what? You are already using applications developed by Fantasy. If you are logging into your Facebook account, then Fantasy developed the interface of that application. 3.5 billion people around the world are using applications developed by Fantasy. This company has been running for over 21 years. It's the biggest company of this sort in the world. Fantasy.co is the website. I urge you to check it out. See who else is working in Fantasy, and you'll be amazed when you see some of those names. Now, SuperOne already has been out there for quite some time. This is not a startup. The company behind SuperOne, they've spent the first 4 years experimenting and releasing different games onto the market. In 2017, they released this one, similar concept to what they are working on right now. So trivia-based games, basically, where you're answering questions and you can win prizes. That's what they came up with in 2017. They had that very first small success. 25,000 players, 1 million gameplays. The game was available in over 190 app stores. They knew that they are onto something, but they wanted to make further improvements to the concept before they release another game onto the market. One of the biggest improvements was that they decided in April 2018 to release the brand called SuperOne. April 2018, so 2.5 years ago. And together with SuperOne, they added a very powerful now what now is powerful, affiliate program. They allowed people like you and me to help them to grow the community, to build the community, and allowing us to get paid for it on ongoing basis. And I'm going to be talking about that in just a second. So this next version, so, okay, before we go there. So April 2018, when they launched, they spent another 2 years testing out different affiliate programs with the market to identify what people like the most. What is the affiliate program? Is the way in which we are being paid. That's how these affiliate programs work. So they've tested out different ones. Everything is done now. Our affiliate platform is already ready. We can already start financially benefiting from it. We have been already for quite some time, for quite a few weeks. We've been able to benefit, to make money simply from helping the company to grow their member base. That's all we are doing. We are doing exactly what you have been doing already for years, if not decades. I'm going to proceed to that in just a second. Now, inside of the gaming platform, so we have two things. We have an affiliate platform and we have a gaming platform that is just about to be upgraded. And we are just waiting for this. It's around December when the game is going to come out, when the next version is going to come out. Now, there will be a social media module inside the gaming platform. You'll be able to interact with other people, connect with them, chat with them, and see other people's profiles. And that's important because there will be also two-player and multiplayer types of games. So if you know that there is this big game where to do with Hollywood movies, top price $50,000, but you need a second player because it's a two-player game. What you are going to be doing is scanning through your friends list and checking how many friends you have who are very good in playing Hollywood movies type of games and movies in general. That's how Victor connected with Emily here. That's what's going to be available here. You will be able to team up with other people and challenge other teams. Now, if you want to play games where you get to win prize, cash, where we can win cash, you need to spend some cash. Games would cost up to $1, but we will not be spending dollars, pounds, euros, whatever. We will actually be spending gaming credits. The majority of games, the majority of all the games that you can download today, they have their own in-game currencies, like bells, coins, tokens, V-Bucks, Robux, all of these things. We have our own game currency, in-game currency. We call it a gaming credit. So you need these gaming credits to play games and win money, potentially a lot of money. That's what you need. Now, how to buy gaming credits? From Super Wallets. Super Wallets are packages, basically. So you're buying one of these packages right now. We have them, you buy them in bulk. Like you pay a small amount and you get a lot of gaming credits. That's because we are in a pre-launch right now. That is going to go away. This huge discount that we have right now is going to go away very, very soon. To give over these gaming credits, you get a free bonus, and that's digital tokens. I'm going to very briefly mention that. Basically, these digital tokens, it's yet another source of income that is available to you as an affiliate inside this gaming platform. That's what this is. Now, in case you wonder, okay, the gaming platform is not ready yet, the new one. Why should I buy these gaming credits right now? Because you get them at a huge discount, 90% discount. So anybody who's buying these packages right now is going to get 10 times more. Right now, this discount is fixed, is 90%, but very soon it's going to be smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. We are just about able to stop the founder of SuperOne from reducing this discount. It's only going to be like that for a few more weeks if we're lucky enough. So later on, once the gaming platform is out, you'll be able to do those small top-ups, just like on every platform, $2, $5, $7, $10, whatever, just to get more gaming credits and be able to play games. Right now, you need a package. If you don't buy a package, you're not getting any gaming credits. Now, this is a powerful one. I need you to pay attention, especially to this. This is the most important thing out of this whole presentation, because we don't have to use these gaming credits to play games. As I told you before, you don't have to play games. You don't have to be a player or a gamer. You can use your gaming credits to invite other people into the platform. And what happens then? You are building your own network of customers. As I said at the beginning, you have already been doing this for years. every time when you buy something and you share your opinion about it with others, with friends and family members, maybe you're writing a review on Amazon or whatever other shopping platform that you're using. Maybe you told a friend, a family member about your latest glasses, maybe a laptop or a computer, whatever else you've purchased. Maybe you've told somebody about this. Maybe you bought a new watch, you bought a new purse, a bag, a backpack that you can carry, an umbrella, everything. Every time when you mention what you've purchased to others, you are creating a possible customer for that company. And you are creating this network. You're helping them to expand their network of customers. How many times have you been paid for it? How many times? Out of hundreds, maybe thousands of recommendations that you've made these past few years. How big of a network have you built? Do you know? Maybe the 5 people you talked about, this latest, I actually bought an umbrella yesterday, a pretty good one. I'm excited, as random as it sounds. Like, all you do is you say to 5 people about the phone that you purchased. If they buy, and maybe they're gonna mention it to another 5, to another 5, to another 5. After months, these 5 people maybe would have turned into thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people. That's what's happening. We are all creating networks. In a very few companies, we're actually being paid for it, but SuperOne is one of them. That's what you're seeing right now. So you can give away your gaming credits to other people just to add them to your network. You don't need to be creating special stands in your local city or town when you have these local festivals or whatever. They're not going to happen anyway because of this health crisis. You don't have to be dragging people to some hotel meetings. Like, all you would do right now is potentially just invite people onto presentations like this, half an hour or a little bit more, and that's it. Once the gaming platform is out, you'll be able to send gaming credits to other people and to build your customer base that way. And every time when these people will be spending money on a platform, you'll be making money every single time. So let me just explain this a little bit more. So you can say to somebody, you can send 50 gaming credits to one person, 100 to another, 200 to another. It's up to you how many. You can tell them, listen, 50 gaming credits, that's enough for you to play 5 cash games where you can win as much as $1 million, depending on the game that you're going to choose. Do you think they will click on the link? Do you think they would download the app? Of course they would. The moment they are part of your team. They are your customer base. You don't need to be sending these crazy vitamins, like weight management powders or lotions, potions, anything like that. We are making this extremely easy. You are just doing what you are doing today. But rather than sharing a link to the company, you are sharing the link to the company, plus you're adding, your system will add your own unique link. Every time somebody clicks, the system will know, okay, that person will go under you into your structure. That's what happens. That's the only difference. Also, you'll be able to send links to people to games. If you have somebody who's crazy about Manchester United, about Liverpool, about Barcelona, about Fenerbahce, whatever, about philosophy, meditation, diet, fitness, you just send them a link to a game. They click, download the app, they're under you in your network. These people will tell others about SuperOne. And these people, these new people that will join, they will be also part of your network. So it's not just people that you speak with, but also when they speak with others and they speak with others, they speak with others, all of these people are part of your network. And what every money they spend, you'll be able to get micro commissions from. Somebody spends $1, you're gonna get maybe 2 or 3 cents. But 2 or 3 cents out of thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people, that's a lot of money coming into you, to your external wallet, external account. They pay you straight away. They don't pay you to some internal account and you have to ask for a withdrawal. They send the money to your external account, wherever you want the money to be sent to, straight away, within seconds. Like, tell me if there's any other more powerful source of passive income. I'm not talking about trading, binary options, any of that rubbish. All of that they're just scams. This is a real source of passive income. SuperOne is part of three fastest growing industries today: technology, entertainment, as well as new financial services. SuperOne is part of all three. That's the power. I needed to spend a little bit more time on this because I needed you to know, like, we will be growing like crazy the moment the gaming platform is out. Because again, if our entire community everybody just sends one link to one game to their friends, we double the size. What if this happens again? We double the size again. You get to learn about SuperOne before this happens. That's this privileged opportunity that you have right now. Not many people will have it. The majority will miss out because they completely miss it. Now, the most important thing, how can I make money? How can you make money? Our compensation plan, the way we pay, is called the Triple Magic. It's a fancy name. Now, this is by far the most incredibly rewarding compensation plan in the world that I have ever seen. I spoke to the founder of SuperOne this morning, and we're adding even more improvements. There's going to be a ton of other exciting additions that we're going to add to this pay plan that will make you make even more money. That's what's going to happen. And a side note, they pay you money instantly. You don't wait. This is not like in a job where you're gonna be waiting a week, 2 weeks, or a month to be paid. This company is sending you money instantly to your external account. That has nothing to do with SuperOne, that you have access to and nobody else. They're gonna pay you straight away, within seconds. That's how long it's gonna take. So you enrolled somebody from Italy, they're in, you just got paid. You enrolled somebody from Portugal, you just been paid. You enjoyed somebody from Canada, you enrolled somebody from Colombia, from Ghana, from South Africa, from New Zealand, from Australia, you've just been paid. Seconds. Within seconds, the system pushes out commissions to you. You can start earning money with SuperOne immediately, not tomorrow, immediately. You just enroll, you just share with your friend, with the family member, you share a link to the next webinar. We've got another one at 2 o'clock UK time today, this afternoon, and then there is another one at 7. You can just share this, invite somebody onto a presentation, send them your link, they buy a package, you're making money. That's how simple this is. Now, there are 2 income streams from this, you helping the company to grow. Active, when you refer and people buy packages, you make money. And then also leveraged. Passive income, leveraged income, they are the most beautiful income streams in the world because you get to make money from other people's efforts. You can be sleeping, you can be in a gym, you can be on a holiday. Oh, yeah, with the whole situation, we know what that is. Anyway, you're making money. You can imagine just waking up in the morning, and because you did the work, you've introduced a few people, they are active, they are enrolling others. You're waking up in the morning, you're checking your phone, and there is money waiting for you. There's new money waiting for you that you can start spending immediately. I'm just going to list 10 income streams. I will not explain it. This is a short overview. We don't have the time for it. Once you got yourself a package, we're going to explain the whole plan so you will know exactly what you need to do and in which order. We've got all of these materials. This one, everybody's got access to it. The moment you create your account, you will have access to fast start bonus. Guess what? Even free members can make money with us. Show me something else this powerful. Now, the binary bonus is the only one with a limit as to how much money you can earn per week. That depends on your rank, not on the size of a package you buy. The direct matching bonus, downline matching bonus, performance pool bonus is just about to launch. Every package, you will see 4 of them on this presentation. Every package comes with its own supercode income stream. Supercode 100 is for $100 packages. Supercode 500 is for $500 packages. How much you earn? 10%. 10% from 100, $10. 10% from 500, $50. Imagine a few of them. 3, 4, 5 of these Supercode 500 commissions, $50 commissions every single week, or maybe a day. If you have people on your team and you're active, people on your team are also active, you can earn money from it. Unlimited. Now, there are 2 additional packages, 1,000 and 2,500. They will be earning you $100 commissions from Supercode and $250 commissions from Supercode. This last one, this income stream goes away as of the end of this week. If you do not secure if you do not activate the Super Founder bonus by the end of Sunday this week, you will never ever be able to activate it anymore. And the income, this income stream is insane. One of the most powerful of the whole thing, of the whole compensation plan, of the whole pipeline. So Sunday is the deadline because this income stream is only available to super early adopters. Now, how do you become a super founder? You need to have the 500 package, and you need to enroll 3 people who also buy 500 package. You're going to get 100% matching bonus on whatever these 3 make from Supercode 500 earning income stream, whatever they make. If this person number 1 makes $100 a week, you're going to make $100. The other person $300, you're going to make $300. You're making money from other people's efforts, not yours. In this one, in this particular one. But again, less than 200 positions left out of 1,000 maximum. And the final deadline to secure it is the 8th of November. If you don't, you've missed out. 8th of November is the very final deadline. Now, let me simplify the whole thing to do with making money. Let's say you went for the 500 package, you've activated all the income streams that come with it, maximum 8, you're gonna see them in a second. And you enrolled Tom. You enrolled Tom. Tom lives in Canada, in Montreal, and he bought the 500 package. Here's what you're gonna get: $25 fast start bonus, potentially $50 binary bonus, and definitely $60 supercode. How much is that? How many people, no matter where, any country, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ghana, Congo, Colombia, Ecuador, doesn't matter, Vietnam, how many people can say that they make $135 a day? Many people have to work weeks to make $135. Weeks. In here, all we have to do is enroll 1 person who buys 1 package. That is it. Maybe even if you needed to contact somebody to send them short messages or whatever 50 times, our conversations on social media normally last for about 3 minutes. So that's just 2.5 hours to have 50 conversations with somebody. That's it. And potentially that's what you can make. That's insane. Now, it gets better. Again, Tom lives in Montreal, in Canada. You will live somewhere in Europe. Let's say it's 11 o'clock for you. You went to bed. You're sleeping right now. But Tom invites Lisa onto another presentation and she buys the 500 package. Tom already got paid. Now the system is pushing out commissions to you. You could make $50 binary bonus, $15 direct matching bonus, $5 downline matching bonus, and potentially, if you manage to secure the super founder bonus before it goes away forever, another $50. That's $120. Passive leveraged income. You are waking up in the morning, you are checking your phone, and there is $120 waiting for you. How excited do you think you will be to see $120? That's crazy, right? What if you have 5 people like Tom that do this every week? What if they do this every day? $600. I know it's a little bit insane. Maybe some people feel a little bit uncomfortable because they've never seen that much money ever in their lives. But that's what's possible here. That's what's possible. Now, let me simplify the whole thing. Now, when you enroll just 2 people and they have packages, you become a star in our ranking system. It's like a promotion, and you activate your second income stream called the binary bonus. When you help your 2 to enroll 2 each, you become a superstar and you activate another income stream called the direct matching bonus. And from then on, all you have to do, again, it's simple. All you have to do from then on is help your team, help members of your team to become stars and superstars, enroll new people, help them to become stars and superstars. You're helping everybody out so that they're making money as well. And that's how you'll be reaching different ranks. You'll be promoted over and over and over again. You'll be activating, you'll be increasing your weekly cap in terms of binary bonus. And of course, you then have access to 9 other income streams that have unlimited income potential. You always get money if you are eligible to receive money from all these 9 other income streams. Now, this is not like a job. A job has a typical pyramid structure. There is 1 supervisor, 1 team leader, 1 manager, 1 director, 1 VP, and 1 CEO. Of course, the others of a particular department, but nonetheless, that's how typically it is. So you have to sometimes people wait 5 to 10 years to be promoted at a job, 5 to 10 years, because they need to wait for that person to leave to lose their job or potentially even die for somebody else to be able to apply for that position. And guess what? At that point, you have competition because your work colleagues, they used to be your friends, now they are competing against you for that position. We don't have that here. There is unlimited number of spaces on every level. It's only up to you. And what you are going to get from other people is the support to help you achieve that position. That's what happens. That's the difference. You have the possibility of writing your own checks. How much you can earn per month is not limited. How many times did it happen to you that somebody who's on the same position at you at a job, how many times? You see, they're earning exactly the same amount of money, as you, but you know that they're doing far less than you are. You are working much harder, they get paid the same amount. Isn't that the case? That's not going to be the case here. You are receiving money based on your performance. The more effort you put in, the more action you're going to take, the more money you're going to make. You are writing your own checks. To summarize. Oh no, I'm going to first of all explain the packages. That's an important one. So there are two packages, $100 and $500. These are the starter packages. We made it very simple. We have a simple choice. Which package you want right now? Different number of gaming credits, different number of digital tokens, different access to the pay plan. If you buy the 100, you will have access to up to 5 income streams. If you buy the 500, up to 8. These packages are one-time purchase. There is no monthly cost, no activation, no startup. You're spending money one time. And if you are happy with all the benefits that come with that package, that's fine. But if you at any point you decide, I would like to buy another one because of these extra benefits, of course you will be able to, but nobody's going to be forcing you. These are the differences now. Every package comes with its own super code, but the 500 package is a bundle. Every benefit of the 100 is put on top of the 500. This is the only one out of 4 packages that we have. So you're going to save yourself $100 if you go for the 500 straight away. Supercode 500, you can only activate with the 500 package. Super Founder, you can only activate with the 500 package. Performance Pool, you can only activate with the 500 package. The 500 is by far the most popular. 2 additional packages, $1,000 and $2,500, extra benefits, extra gaming credits, extra tokens, and they will give you access to 2 additional income streams that you can also activate. They will help you make money much faster. That's what's going to happen. Now, to summarize, we've got 2 starter packages, 100 and 500. The $10 Super Start is to help you test drive the system. Because what we are going to give you is a turnkey business with instant commissions. It's like buying a car. You put the key in, you turn it, you're ready to drive. You will not be creating products. You will not be creating websites. You will not be doing customer service or technical support. SuperOne is doing everything for you. You are just inviting people onto presentations like this and sharing additional materials where we show you what and when. That's it. That's all you have to do. It's the easiest thing in the world that can allow people to make money online, unlimited amount of money. You're going to have access to fun, exciting, and rewarding gaming platform that has been developed by SuperOne and Fantasy together. Great ways to build a customer base. How? Sending gaming credits, sending links to games to other people. That's how we can do this. Very easy. You can literally bring in dozens of people every single day to your network. And every time when they're going to spend money, you're going to be making money. That's the beauty on an ongoing basis. Exclusive access to private resources, regular training and support. We did 1 training for our members last Sunday. We do this at least once or twice a week just to help them, to give them additional support so that they understand it. Now, game, everybody's going to be playing it. All you do is swipe left and right. That's it. To win amazing prizes like a lot of cash. Everybody's going to be playing it. Look at this design. These are the latest designs that we received from Fantasy with regards to what they want to create inside of SuperOne. Look how good this looks. You already know what these guys are capable of. You've already been using applications developed by Fantasy for years, potentially. Now,
mobile technologies have transformed the geography of our minds. They have touched every aspect of our lives, changing how we communicate, navigate, and participate in the new digital ecosystem.
Dad, hi. I don't really need your help, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to win the $1 million.
He's won $1 million!
But some industries have been left behind, failing to embrace the era of social networking. It begins by building a completely new experience, something that doesn't yet exist. An experience that creates the friendships that we couldn't make before. An experience that is powered by fanatical interest and driven by passion. Introducing the Fanatical Swipe. Swipe to find friends, fame, and fortune. Because he's all about skills, scores, and speed. An experience that harnesses the power of knowledge to climb a $1 million staircase. This change is happening now. It will redefine what our trivia industry looks like for many years to come, conquering a multi-billion-dollar market. Crafted in collaboration with the world's leading digital agencies. Fantasy. Let's hear what they have to say.
Since 1999, Fantasy has been a human-centered product innovation team that ships pioneering products for the world's most pioneering companies. In short, we ship products used by billions. When SuperOne approached Fantasy, we saw the opportunity. The opportunity for players to win, for SuperOne to delight, and for players, affiliates and more to connect. SuperOne. We believe. Here is a world-first exclusive glimpse at our early-stage UX explorations. We continue to work in tandem with SuperOne and visionary Andreas Christensen to create a world-class gaming experience that will become not just the standard by which others are measured, but the level which they dream to reach.
They simply ship products used by billions. Not many people, not many companies, businesses can ever say that. Really, that's the opportunity that you have. Again, there is nothing easy out there. There is another lockdowns. There is another round of lockdowns globally. And these ones will be far worse than the ones before. People really need to have something else going on. So take charge of your financial future, because I don't know any other easier opportunities for somebody to be able to make money instantly. They don't need to learn a skill that would take them weeks, if not months, to master. They don't have to be hiring coaches to learn something new, to be guided. All you have to do here is invite. That's it. Now, to get started, go back to the person who shared the link to this webinar with you. Ask them maybe for the link to that video that you just saw. We've got a few others as well. But no matter what you're going to do, be sure that you sign up and create your free account today. And if you're ready to buy a package to secure this number of gaming credits, this crazy number of gaming credits that you can buy today to then grow your team later on, do it today. That's it from me. Thank you very much for staying to the very end of this presentation. I'm hoping that you've enjoyed it. And I'm also hoping that we're going to see each other during our live calls, live private calls very, very soon. All the best. Take care. Goodbye.